Okay, flute players, now that we've put our instrument together, I'm going to show you how to hold it. Holding your flute takes a little bit of practice as well because we hold it out to the side, so we need to be nice and balanced. Now there are two things that I'm going to add to your flute. I'm going to give you a thumb guide right here where you put your right thumb. And then I'm going to give you a finger saddle. See, it looks like a horse saddle. And that's going to make it more comfortable for the side of your left hand to help you hold on to your flute as well. And these are things that most young flute players start with because it just makes your life easier, and that's okay, right? So I like to rest my flute on my knee when I'm putting my fingers on my flute. Helps you balance. All right, your right hand goes straight onto your flute like this. Okay, your thumb on the thumb guide. And then these last three keys at the bottom of the body are for 1, 2, 3 fingers right here. And if you need help, we'll put stickers on there to help you remember. And then your pinky goes on that first key of the flute's foot. So you see that key actually opens a key on the other side. All right, so that's your right hand, which will go on kind of the bottom part of the flute. All right, your left hand, your thumb is going to go here. The side of your finger on the finger saddle and curl that finger to the second little key. And then you're going to skip that one and go to the next key and the next key. And then your pinky goes here. But we don't use that pinky very often, so you don't have to worry about pressing that down. Just let that pinky hang out. Okay? So, once again, if you need help remembering that, we'll put stickers on your flute that we can take off later. Okay? Now, if you notice, when I lift my flute up, my right hand goes straight, but my left hand, I actually have to wrap it around. So my fingers are facing different directions. All right, so my hands are opposite of one another. Okay, and then my lip plate is right here, so I can kiss the hole and roll. And I'm holding my flute in the correct position. Practice that a few times, lifting and bringing it back down. Practice taking your hands off and putting them back on the correct keys and then lifting and kissing the hole and roll, because you'll want to get really good at that so that you're ready to play when it's time to go.